In my last video, I covered the same error, but that was a slideshow style explanation. A lot of you asked for a proper hands-on walkthrough. So today I'm doing exactly that. I will be doing this live step by step so you can pause and follow along on your own PC. Alright, let's get started. Restart your PC and enter your UEFI or BIOS settings. Depending on your motherboard, this is usually done by pressing F12, F10, F12, delete or escape repeatedly right after powering on. Inside the BIOS, go to the boot tab and select boot from USB drive or CD. Save the settings and restart. Press any key on your keyboard to continue. On the Windows setup screen, instead of clicking install, click on repair your computer. From the blue troubleshooting screen, go to troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt. In the command prompt, Windows, type the following command and hit enter. bcdboot C:/Windows. This rebuild your Windows boot configuration file, which is usually the root cause of the error 0xc0000098 error. Once the command completed successfully, type exit and restart your PC. And boom! Just like that, your PC boots back up normally, exactly as it was before.